Hello, my fellow spicy nacho Doritos. In this video, I am going. What I mean is, I am going to be doing. What I mean is to be doing a follow-up review on this Executioner USA Patriot Limited Edition Electric Fly Swatter, or like what I mean is when I said on, I meant for this product. For when I said on this what I mean is on this product. That is my correction. So okay, I see the area of this. Do you see this? Look at this. I think in that area, if that is what I mean is, if that is the right area, this has been melting itself from shocking inside this area behind where I shown where that was happening. I will show how that will happen by just inserting my batteries inside of this, because that is how this happened to this electric. What I mean is this electric fly swatter. Okay, this is better. Okay, so that area is here. It is here. And inside of here, behind that area, this electric fly swatter had been melting it. Or what I mean is itself. I will show how that. What I mean is I will show how that happens quickly so I can still get a warranty, not void, just in case it will get void. Now, watch this. that is how, what I mean is that it is how this electric fly swatter has been melting itself. Hopefully, I will what I mean is, hopefully I will get a fixed one. There is Henry II over there. Bye YouTube, bye my fellow spicy nacho Doritos. This is a add-on to that YouTube video I recorded, but it is not finished, so I will add this part to the end of that part of the YouTube video I was recording for YouTube. So this Executioner USA Patriot limited edition electric fly swatter actually has worked when what I mean is when I first used what I mean is when I first used it. So it did not just what I mean is it did not just broke right away. Because it worked the first times I tried using it, which what I mean is, which was multiple times, including testing it on metals rather than insects. Bye YouTube, bye my fellow spicy nacho Doritos.